The hotel is very glamorous as well as being luxurious. Staff were incredibly nice and extremely helpful.
I suppose the only slight issue I would have is the parking situation. If one has driven to the hotel, it is extremely difficult to stop outside, and they need to be more informative regarding valet parking, as we were not made aware of the situation.
Very comfortable bed and room, if a little on the small side. Staff very welcoming and made every effort to offer extras and assist. Sadly no gym or spa. But this is a small boutique hotel, and the absence added to the intimate feel of the hotel.
Small rooms, the layout, design, pictures on the web does not comply with what you then get.
Regardless of how well designed and comfortable a building is, the staff give it life. Really lovely staff from reception upon arrival to Nathaniel, at breakfast. Superb. High praise from someone who travels for a living.
The main entrance is not visible, especially at night hours, and the name is absent.